Hello everyone, I will showcase 6 pistols Requiem, which is completely fair and balanced like all of the above stands. So first you should know is about its passive. All his normal shots pass through walls and surfaces. This passive can be taken in the skill tree, so it's up to you if you want it. Another one that you should take note is that 6 pistols has a lot of destructive power, so its bullets are super strong. Now the first skill is Stunt Shot, fires bullets that redirects around the opponent that stuns, bleeds, and damages the opponent at the same time. It's very balanced, what can I say. Next move is Time Stop, which stops time for quite long, so that also means that it can time stop resistance. Next move is Fork. Next skill is Pistol Beatdown, which is like other beatdowns. It is parryable, but it has more damage output than Arigato Hero and Star Platinum Beatdown. Pistol Shell gives you extra defense, which is definitely not a spin spec move.